Hey guys, Mr. T here, another video. This one is to help you with finding measures of center of data, but on the graphics calculator. So I've shown how to do it manually, and it is important to be able to calculate the mean, median, and mode manually so that you have an idea how they work, but it's much faster to find the measurements of center using your graphics calculator. I'm trying to highlight this and it's doing all dodgy stuff. Alright, so first things first. All statistics involve a set of data. Before you can find a measurement of center, you have to enter the data somewhere. And you can enter the data on your graphics calculator through this function. So get your calculator going, press Stat first, select one edit. A table appears with L1, L2, L3, etc. So you can go across and you'll see a whole bunch of lists. The L stands for list. So you enter your data values in the list. Start with L1 for convenience, just so you always know that you put your data in L1 pretty much, but you can put it wherever you want. And press enter after each data value. So I'm going to be putting the data in from page 259 so we can double check that we get the right numbers as well. So number of faulty products returned to an electrical goods store each day over a 21-day period. So 3, 4, 4, 9, 8, 8, 6, 4, 7, 9, 1, 3, 5, 3, 5, 9, 8, 6, 3, 7, 1. Hopefully that's 21 things. Yes, L1 21st entry is 1. Okay, so the data is entered. So first thing, the easiest thing that you were able to find with manually was finding the mode, which is just the most frequently occurring set of data. The only way the graphics calculator actually helps you to do that is to get the graphics calculator to sort the data for you. It might actually be useful for you when you're doing stuff manually if you need to write things out sorted in some way. The graphics calculator let you sort it so that you can easily see which one is the most common, because they'll go up in order and you can see which happens most in one go. So as an example of that, you go stat. How do you do it? You select sort A. Sort A stands for sort ascending. Press enter, sort A appears, and all you need to do now is tell it to put in list 1. And you see L1 here in blue, so to activate the blue functions, you go second and press the button. Finish off the brackets, press enter, and it says it's done. Hopefully it is done. Go back to stat edit, and you should see that your data is sorted in order ascending numerically. So what you'll see, there are 3 9s, 3 8s, 2 7s, 2 6s, 2 5s, 3 4s, 4 3s, and 2 1s. So as you can see, when you've sorted in an order, it's very easy to see which one is the most common data value, and that's how the graphics calculator helps you find the mode. So 3 is obviously the mode there. And that's confirmed in your in example 7 in the book. There's 3. 3 is the mode in the initial data set. Okay, so now the other measures, the more useful ones, finding the mean. So we've still got the same data here, it's just sorted. So how do you find the mean with the graphics calculator? Press stat. Now instead of going to any of these sections, you shift over the tab to the calculator tab or calculation tab and press 1 var stats. You've only got one variable. Press enter. Oh, sorry, you don't press enter. You just need to double check that it's actually list 1. And this is an updated version of the calculator. It's not the same as my normal one. So press 1 var stat and then just double check that it's list 1 that you're doing that for. So second 1 to make sure it's list 1. Do the 1 var stats for it, and this is a set of statistics. So this actually finds the mean and the median for you. The mean is the x with the bar on top of it. That is the mean there. So the mean is going to be 5.38. And that is what it says on page 259. The mean is 5.38 faulty products. And where is the median? How do you use the graphics calculator to find the median? You just do the same thing. You didn't have to do any of this frequency list stuff on if you've got the most up-to-date calculator. It just does it all for you. If you've got an older calculator, which most of you do have, you will need to do these steps, okay? The select one var stats, set list to list, everything else. It's automatic on the newer one. So how do you find the median? Scroll down, and median is MED, and median is 5, and that's confirmed on your page 259. So that is how to use a graphics calculator to find measures of the center of data. It is much faster, so make sure you use it unless your book or your test actually tells you to find the measures of center manually. Hopefully that helps you out, and I'll see you in the next video.